Hi everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. This is one delicious recipe for ground beef taco salad. So let's get started. First of all, I will show you how to put together the seasoning for the taco salad. So these spices and seasonings can be mixed up way ahead and stored in a sealed container for months in your cupboard. The amounts in this recipe will be so that you can store it away in your cupboard after, and you'll only use a little bit of it in today's salad. Take a small bowl and start with 6 tablespoons of chili powder. Then add 5 tablespoons of paprika. Four and a half tablespoons of cumin. Then add 3 tablespoons of onion powder. 2.5 tablespoons of garlic powder. But only a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Take a small spoon and mix this all together until it's well incorporated. Then take and pour this in a container that has a lid so that it can be easily stored. Today I'm just making enough taco salad for one person, so I'll show you how to do that based on the amounts that would be needed approximately. But I will also show you the amounts to make for about 8 servings. Now chop up some tomatoes. I use about 8 grape tomatoes in mine. And you'll just grate up a little bit of cheddar cheese. Now here we'll gather together some of the ingredients we'll need. Your tomatoes, your lettuce, your Catalina sauce, your seasoning for the taco salad, and the shredded cheese, and then the tortillas. Now I'm only making enough for myself today, so this is about a cup of ground beef. You'll fry that in a frying pan and take a fork and break it apart so that's in finer pieces. Continue to fry that until it turns lightly brown. And just before it's completely cooked, that's when I add the taco seasoning. Now I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of the taco seasoning to mine today. You can add a little bit more if you like it a little bit more spicy, it's up to you. This seasoning smells really good. And I'm just going to use my fork to mix that in so that it's well incorporated and the meat's well coated. And just finish frying that up until it's lightly browned. Okay, so this looks like it's browned up pretty good. I'll set that aside until I'm ready to add it to the salad. Now then take a small salad bowl and add about a cup of chopped lettuce. And approximately 8 chopped grape tomatoes. And maybe about a half of a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Now then I'm adding the ground beef with the seasoning in it. And I'm just mixing that together a little bit. Now add a little bit of Catalina dressing. And start with a little bit, mix it in, and then add a little bit more as you go along. Last but not least, add about a cup to a cup and a half of coarsely crushed tortilla chips. And once again, add a little bit more of the Catalina dressing and just mix it, and you'll know what seems to be right for what you like. You want just enough to coat the salad nicely. And if you have a few extra tomatoes, throw them in. So this is a salad that eats like a meal by itself. So I just made enough for a small salad for 1 or 2 people. But if you're having 8 to 10 people, here is the amounts that you would use for that. Now that the salad's ready, I can go and have my lunch. I think I'll go out on the back deck and enjoy it. Here in Ontario, Canada, the weather has been really nice the last couple of days. It's a perfect day to enjoy such a lovely salad. It is so good. You really have to try this.